The contracts for the construction of workshops and laboratories for Faculty of Engineering at Usman Danfodio University, Sokoto was awarded in April 2018 under TED Fund 2013 and 2016 normal intervention. Though the actual take-up was delayed due to some challenges encountered from inception, the building was constructed by an indigenous construction giant Abbysia Investment Limited, a member of Abbysia Group of companies, a brand that specializes on timely and quality delivery projects. The project was delivered within 15 months, even though it was meant for a shorter duration. The building has 12 number laboratories and workshops, each with an office, toilet and store. It has 2 number reception halls, one on the ground floor and the other on the first floor, with 2 toilets each. It also has 24 external toilets, 6 on each floor of the 2 wings of the building. It has a parking lot for about 40 vehicles. The building is designed to be environmentally friendly with an open courtyard with plantations. It has an independent water source from a borehole and over 10,000 liters of water tanks reservoir. The workshops on the ground floor also has a drive-through the side entrances for easy movement of equipment. The workshops and laboratories are namely wood workshop, concrete technology workshop, machine and tools, electrical power workshop, soil mechanics workshop, thermodynamics workshop, computer engineering, digital system and microprocessing lab, plumbing and fitting workshop, measurement and instrumentation workshop, electrical workshop, electrical installation and fittings workshops. Just like any giant projects, this one also had some few challenges. The first time was right from the onset when the local community disrupted work, vandalizing some of the structures and equipment on the allegations that compensation was not paid to them. The university had to intervene with drastic measures, providing armed guards to the site for some weeks. That episode delayed the proper takeoff of the project. Another challenge encountered was at the substructure level in the course of excavation due to the depth of 2 meters beneath the ground and the nature of the place and the fact that it was during rainy season. The excavated walls kept on caving in, making it difficult to progress. The worst day was when the walls caved and collapsed with workers inside the trench, which almost took a life on that day. Thank God the university hospital is within walking distance from the site. That incident cost the company much because laborers vowed not to work there ever again. They had to be enticed with a review package of over 100%. Despite the enormous challenges faced, it is pertinent to acknowledge the overwhelming support received from all the stakeholders, starting from the managing team of the university under the leadership of the Vice Chancellor Professor Lawal Suleiman Bilbis, the entire Department of Physical Planning headed by Engineer Halilu Said Zawal, the Procurement Department overseen by Engineer Lawal Suleiman Malumfashi MNSCE, the University Monitoring Team, Deputy Director Projects Architect Matankari, the Project Consultants BM Consult, Supervising Engineers Architect Mohammed, Engineer Sadiq, Engineer Yunusa, Builder Abdullahi, QS Saminu, QS Imirana, QS Nasir Namadina, Engineer Zakaria, and the rest. We will not forget the extraordinary commitment of our own Abbysia team, namely Engineer Mustafa Dambai, Umar Mustafa, Adamu Ibrahim, Muhammad Lawa Yahya, Ibrahim Tafida, John Idachoba, Abdul Muhammad Bashir, Nasir Umar, Engineer Yao Dabai, and Engineer Aminu Zamfara.